Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and like this video. If you're not new, welcome back to another video with Kera Dior. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this Amazon wig, and I was truly disappointed. And I'm not saying the company's name because of the disappointment, but I'm still going to post the video because I wanted and needed the content. So let's get into it. So this is the packaging it came in. It said 100% human hair. Coming out the pack, this is how it looks. They gave you enough lace to work with. You know, it looked like some nice hair. I'm not going to lie, it looks really good out of the pack. I didn't bleach the knots. I did pluck it. It needed a lot of plucking, but I didn't bleach the knots. The knots was little enough to not see. So, yeah. This is how I do my cap method. The same steps every video. Yeah. So, it's no need to speak on this process. I'm not going to lie though, in the beginning of the video, the install came out really nice. Like, the install eats. I just wish I didn't fry the wig or ruin the wig. But all in all, the install ate. So I had to post. I was like, I am not wasting my content, period. So I used the same spray to tint the lace because, as you know, I said I did not bleach it at all. And I feel like it blended pretty well. Like, I have no complaints in that area. The complaints I have is the fact they did not disclose that this was a synthetic blend. The wig looked nice for maybe about 4 days. And I was like, I'm tired of wearing it like this. The curls had done dropped from the wig like how it was, because I did not alter it after. And after about a couple of days, I was like, well, I want a different style. Let me just curl it. Y'all, I went to curl the wig. I fried the wig with the curling iron. The curling iron was not hot, like super hot. I think I had it on like 300, maybe 350, probably. I'm not sure, but I know it was in the 300s. It's no way a human hair should be fried. I mean, y'all, the ends, I should have had a picture. I should have took a picture. But the ends was like done for. I was so mad. And then, why would you put on your packaging 100% human hair and you know that is trash? Why would you do that? Why didn't you just go ahead and say in the description, like, oh yeah, this is a synthetic blend. I only paid $120 or probably $110. This is the close-up of the lace. It wasn't bad. The lace wasn't bad. It's just the fact, why didn't you tell me it was a synthetic blend? I would not have put heat on it. Y'all, I fried the wig. I kept it though because I'm going to make it into a bob, a short bob. So if y'all see me with this again, you already know why. It's short and you know the backstory behind this wig. But I can say it did blend very well. And it looked nice, like, for them little 4 days, little week. But, yeah, I fried it. So, that was that. I give this wig a 6 out of 10. And mainly, the 6 comes from the good-ass lace. And the melting of the lace. Other than that, do I recommend this wig? No, I do not. Unless you're okay with synthetic blends and you don't plan on putting any heat to it or styling it, then I mean go for it. But me, I had plans on styling this wig. So, no. I do not recommend this wig at all. And see, this is me going in with no heat because I didn't plan on keeping this side part in for that long, and it wasn't no need in like really styling it, because like I said, I was going to style it again. So that's why I didn't use any heat when I first installed it, and it laid pretty nice with just the mousse. As you can see, it's giving scalp. It blend nice, so in those areas I had no complaints. It looks good. It's just next time, put in your description of what it is. Simple.
I'm so crazy.